guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Today, I just had a crazy realization when I tried to jump start my car, or not technically jump start my car, but start the car up. My car's battery is officially 100% confirmed dead. So, yeah. So, I just got that battery replaced like about 2 months before my accident, and it costed me a rough total of like $150 for a performance battery like that. But yeah, but basically I don't even know what I'm gonna do, but I've been trying to get a lot of things done to this car. I've been trying to see where I can source parts for this vehicle and how I can get things done for it. And I also came to a crazy realization that I do need new brakes, and I will show you guys what I'm talking about down here. So if we look down here, it's kind of like you can see the rust and stuff on the back of those brake pads. There's like rust spots that are kind of deep and naveled in, so something I have to get situated and fixed before I could think about doing anything else. But one other mod I was also thinking about doing for the car was getting redone reflectors. So I'll show you guys what reflectors look like stock. Get the red ones on the back and get, I think, yellows in the front. I don't even know. Wait, let me check right now, because that is actually crazy if I don't know. Yeah, I think it's the yellows in the front. Oh, actually, that's crazy. I don't even have any in the front. That's wild. Yeah, I don't have any reflector in the front. That's kind of crazy. But right now in Massachusetts, it is very, very slippery. As you can see, can't even stay on the ice. So you have to kind of gravitate toward the snow. But yeah, give you a quick walk around my seats. I got these new Recaros. Same thing with that side. Got them. They look really tough. Interior walk around. But Mustangs have gotten really expensive in the past year or two. So it's kind of crazy to see, but it's actually wild. They launched the new GTD, the Mustang GTD, and that is a $380,000 hyper Mustang. Like, that thing's a beast of a car. It has like 900 horsepower or something, and then that vehicle is like has an active aero and stuff, and it's one of the fastest cars in the Nürburgring. So yeah. So stock bumper, that's what came with the car. That's what got in the accident. That is getting replaced. I have it here because I was trying to install the fitment into this for the insurance rate, and yeah, that's my other seat for it that had to get removed because we were installing the race car seats. I got intake housing too. The intake housing, as you guys know, I uploaded a video, or YouTube short, should I say, installing the colder intake, and that was also a part of my seat installation video. But yeah, I will also show you guys the rim damage here. We got some crazy rim damage on the top. Air will not stay into the tire, so we have to get those rims reinstalled. That's like another like $1,000 to $1,500. And then obviously I got new decals after the accident too. New decals for the wing. It looks really good. That's one thing I love about this car. Yeah, taillights and stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys like a quick update and make this video about updating you guys on the car, and because I haven't uploaded any videos in a while, so I thought that this would be a nice update. Yeah, but one thing I've been wanting to get done is suspension. I wanted to lower down the car. It is kind of like a monster height, as you can see. It's like, it's a pretty big gap. It's like more than 2 fingers. So probably some performance coilover or something like that. Get the car lowered, and it's also adjustable, so I can raise it, lift, lower it whenever I need to. But yeah, that's what I've been wanting to get done to the car. But overall, this accident also messed up the alignment with the hood. So you can see the alignment here. It's kind of messed it up. It's like the hood is higher than the fender, but that doesn't really matter because I'm getting the fenders replaced anyways, and the hood. So hood and fenders are both gonna get replaced because you got damage on this side in the accident. So yeah. But anyways, I thought I'd let you guys know what happened in to the car. Like, give you guys a quick update. I haven't uploaded a solid video in like 4 weeks or so. But yeah, I'm gonna go inside the car right now, and I'm gonna explain to you guys any future mods, the plans, what we're gonna do with the car and everything like that. So we are right now inside of the Mustang. Yeah, but anyway, so there's quite a few things I've been wanting to get done to this car in modifications. But yeah, first of all, amazing quality seats. I love this, the way that these are designed. They're put into pretty well. I have to figure out how I'm gonna get a seatbelt slot for this, because see, it's kind of hard to get the seatbelt without having the door opened. But it feels really low. That one is a little high because we put them on a wood plank, and yeah, and so it just like it's very lifted. Like you can see, look at my brake, and look at how high this seat is. But look at how low this is compared to like this. It's even lower than that. So yeah, I've been thinking about getting that done. Have to get that done because, you know, it's a very uncomfortable riding experience. If you guys have ever seen the video I uploaded, and you know, sitting inside of that, sitting on that, when we did the installation for that, yeah, it was not fun. It was actually kind of complicated to get in, complicated to put your belt in. But yeah, another thing I'm gonna get done is this is gonna get. Bro, I don't even know where that came from. I think somebody came in here and touched my car. But yeah. Roof is gonna get replaced too because I want to get a different color. I don't like the black. I want to get like a wine red to give it that exotic European look, you know what I mean? So yeah, it'll look more fancier with that color in. But yeah, that's what I've been wanting to do, guys. So yeah, this is an update video, you know, just to let you guys know what's going on. I haven't forgotten about you guys. I haven't forgotten about the Mustang. The Mustang is still in the building process. I'm just trying to wrap my head around, you know, getting parts for it, installation, time, and then also we're waiting for the right season. Right now, it's a little too cold to be working on the car. So I'm just waiting for when the time is right, when the weather gets warmer around spring or summer. And as you probably guys know, I don't really have a garage, so it's going to be working outside on this vehicle. So yeah, I just thought I'd let you guys know, give you guys an update. This is what's going on to the car. But yeah, I have not forgotten you guys. I've not forgotten about the Mustang. It is still very much in my head. I'm trying to get things done. You know, that's why it's been busy and chaotic. Well, I haven't really been uploading anymore. So yeah, I will upload. I'll try to upload every single week on my channel. But yeah, thank you very much for watching this this video.